Good morning, everyone. In today's session, we are going to see regular and supplementary receipt settlement. For this, we have to go to quick menu. In quick menu, go to flat shop details. Here you can see the unit number of this member is A101. For this member, regular bill and supplementary bill generated. Regular bill outstanding amount is 4,606 rupees. Supplementary bill outstanding amount is 4,000 rupees. First, we will see how to settle the regular bill amount, which is 4,606 rupees. For this, we will go to transaction, accounts, receipt payment contra. Click on new record. Select unit number of that member, which is A101. After that, select the bank. For selecting bank, press F4. In type, select receipt, then enter the voucher date 20/06/25. After that, if you want to see the total outstanding amount of that particular member in this receipt, you can click on the name of that member. So here you can see the total outstanding amount of this member is 8,606 rupees, which is total of both regular and supplementary. As we are only stating this regular bill amount, which is 4,606 rupees. So enter that amount here, 4,606 rupees. Enter this check details and all bank details here accordingly. Now click on save. In this way, here we click on this unit number A101. Here you can see regular bill amount gets settled in regular bill. In this way, we can settle a regular bill amount. So in regular bill, we don't need to do anything. We just have to create a new receipt, enter the amount and click on save. System will automatically settle that particular amount in a regular bill only. Now we'll see how to settle supplementary bill amount. Supplementary bill outstanding is 4,000 rupees. Now go to transaction account, receipt payment contra, create new record. Select the unit number A101. Click on this member name. Here you can see the outstanding amount is 4,000 rupees. Now enter outstanding amount of supplementary bill here, which is 4,000 rupees. Select the voucher date. After that, for adjusting this particular amount in a supplementary bill, click on supplementary bill detail. Hover on this supplementary bill detail. You can see here one note added. To add more rows, press shift plus down arrow. So click on the grid and press shift down arrow. Click on these three dots. Here you can see the number of references, which means these are the bills on which outstanding is remaining. So select that bill. As we are setting all the supplementary bill amount. So here you can see we have entered the bill amount 4,000 rupees of supplementary bill. Then we go to supplementary bill detail, select the references of supplementary bill, then click on save, close it. So click on this for re-verifying. Here we can see this amount 4,000 is settled against this supplementary bill. So here we can see now outstanding amount of this member A101 is 0 rupees. We settle this 4,606 rupees against the regular bill and this 4,000 rupees against the supplementary bill. Now we will see the next scenario. This unit number A102. Here you can see the regular bill amount is 2,544 rupees and supplementary bill amount is 4,500 rupees. So the total outstanding amount is 7,044 rupees. If you want to create only one single receipt in which you want to settle both the regular and supplementary bill, then go to transaction, accounts, receipt, payment, contra. Click on new record. Select that unit number A102. For selecting unit number, press F3. Select that unit number. Click on the member's name. Here you will get the total outstanding amount, 7,044 rupees. Enter that amount here. As we want to settle this 7,044 rupees in both the regular and supplementary bill, in this case, go to this unit number A102. Now click on the grid and press shift down arrow. Then this row will come. Click on this three dot. Select the reference of the bill. Again select the second reference. Now go to supplementary bill detail. Click on shift down arrow. We just have to select these references which are already there in this list. Here we can see the total of these three rows we have selected, which are the bills. Total is 4,500 rupees, which is for supplementary bill, and regular bill amount is 2,544 rupees. Here we can see the regular bill amount is 2,544, which we have just selected those references, and outstanding amount of supplementary bill is 4,500 rupees. So here we can see total of the supplementary amount is 4,500 rupees. Select the voucher date. Now click on save. So in this way we can settle in a single receipt. We can settle both the regular and supplementary bill amount. Here you can see in unit number, this regular bill amount is settled. In supplementary bill details, supplementary bill amount is settled. Now we will see the next scenario, in which if you have already created receipt of this amount 7,052 rupees, but as by default all the amount goes to the unit number regular bill, but you want to settle some of the amount in supplementary bill. Supplementary bill amount is 4,000 rupees and regular bill amount is 3,052 rupees. So here we'll go. Here we can see total amount 7,052 rupees settled in regular bill itself. So we have to divide some of the amount in supplementary bill. So edit the form. Here we can see now regular amount 3,052 rupees is coming. Now we have to select the reference for the supplementary bill. Select, press shift down arrow. Select the reference. Now again click on keyboard, press shift down arrow. Select the another reference of supplementary bill. Now supplementary bill amount 4,000 is coming and regular bill amount 3,052 rupees is coming. Now save this form. So here we can see outstanding amount 0 showing, and the total amount 7,052 rupees is adjusted for both the regular and supplementary bill. In this way, we can settle regular plus supplementary bill amount in a single receipt. This is all about the today's session. Thank you everyone for joining this session.